Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to come on quickly and share with you a Hobby Lobby haul. This week they have the Paper Studios blowout sale, which is 50% off their paper kits and paper. And it's only the Paper Studios and Stampabilities brands, I believe. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up because they have some new kits that are brand new that I've never seen. So I'm really excited to share with you. I was actually in my Hobby Lobby last week and I saw the kits and I said, oh, I'm just gonna have to wait till they go on sale. And then of course they went on sale this week. So I was a good girl and I waited. Okay, so this first kit is right here and it's a super cute mermaid kit. Oh, here it is. It's called, I'm sorry, I already took it out of the packaging, but it's called Mermaid Dreams Paper Crafting Kit, and it's normally $8.99, but it's 50% off this week, so really great price. Let me show you what you get in the kit. You get some bling, you get these really pretty stickers. I'd rather be a mermaid, mermaid at heart, mermaid dreams, sorry for the glare, but you get a really nice sticker sheet. And then you also get an alpha set in gold, really pretty. And then you get all this pretty paper. So you get, it looks like 2 of each pattern, which is really, really pretty. And as you can see, it has some gold foiling on it. You get this pattern right here, really pretty. And I love it because it's purple. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. How pretty is that? And then you get the ocean look. So pretty, I love it. And then look at the purple and gold. You guys know I'm like in heaven. So, so pretty. I love that it's purple and blue. It's so cute. And not only do you get all of that, but you also get some die cuts. And these are really nice die cuts. So look at this. Look at that mermaid tail that you can embellish and include on a project or a layout. How pretty is that? Absolutely love that. And then I'll take out the rest so that you guys can see. You get this mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. So pretty, pretty starfish. You get a seashell, another seashell, and then this is mermaid at heart. This is actually larger than the sticker. Really, really nice. You get these sand dollars. I'd rather be a mermaid. How cute is this kit? Look at this, the sea horses. And then you get an octopus. So a really, really nice set. And there's another seashell. For $4.50, yes, I would say stock up on these because it's such a great price. And plus you get all of this extra stuff with it. So really, really great deal and really, really pretty paper. And then I picked up this one, and this is by Webster's Pages. And my bestie Armeen, who's Happy Mail Queen here on YouTube, hey girl, she shared this on her channel, and I knew that I had to get it because I just loved it. I just thought it was so adorable. Look at this, you guys. This is the sticker sheet that it came with. Now, this wasn't on sale. I had to use a coupon on it, so I think it was probably came out to $6. But it's such a cute set. And so you get this page right here, and then it's double-sided. I love this paper. I love the little trees with the little tiny hearts. It's super, super cute. I'm loving this paper. The wood grain, and then this pretty floral, and then you've got this pretty floral page as well, and then on the back it's like a rainbow. Really, really pretty. That'd be like a pretty rosette. And then look at these super cute unicorn cats. Oh my gosh, aren't those adorable? You could fussy cut those out and do something with those. And this has hearts on the back of it, and then you get all these tiny little cut aparts. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute paper line. I like Webster's Pages. Normally I find this brand at Joann's, so I'm glad to see that Hobby Lobby's carrying it. So that's really nice. Look at that cute little girl. Really, really cute. Fun paper kit. So I'm glad I picked that one up. I did get one single sheet because they were 50% off, and this is just the chunky glitter. I wanted to make some reindeer out of this, so that's why I picked that up. And then I picked up the Chasing Rainbows crafting kit. And again, just like the mermaids, it comes with stickers. Really, really cute. It comes with some coordinating bling. And this one has some stickers, some dimensional stickers that it comes with. And then you get the iridescent letters. And then this is the paper that it comes with. So you get this unicorn paper. And again, it looks like you get 2 of each. And then you get this one. Look how pretty that is. I love that. And then this holographic one. Yes, love it. And it's such a great deal when it's 50% off. Look at the rainbows. Really, really pretty. You can see the foiling on them. And then this pretty page, like right here, it's like clouds. So, so cute. So that's what came inside of this kit right here. I love it. And such a great price. The last kit that I picked up, it's called Darling Dearest paper crafting kit, and it's like a baby themed one. And I just thought this was absolutely adorable. So you get this sticker sheet right here, a little thing called Love. Hello, little one. It's so cute. I can't wait to make a project with this. You get the super cute heart enamel puffy stickers. And then you get all these die cuts that are in here. I'll go ahead and take them out so you guys can see, because I actually want to look at them myself. And I'm sorry for the crinkling, but let's check them out. So you get a really cute cloud. It says sweet dreams, twinkle twinkle little star. Oops, I'm dropping them. Look at the cute little bunny. Absolutely adorable. I love these like little critters. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the little bear. That's a little bow tie. Hello, little one. You got this little deer right here. It's such a precious little kit. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I love the pastel colors. My favorites are the little critters that it comes with. That's what makes this kit for me. And oh my gosh, look at that one. How adorable is that? And then this little one. Ah, so, so cute. So you get all of that, and then you get a sticker sheet. Comes with the coordinating sticker sheet. And then this is the paper. I'll show you the paper. It looks like that. Really, really cute. And then you get these swans. Very pretty. And then look at these super cute deer. How cute with the little flowers. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And then you got the little clouds. Love that. And they have like a little face on them. And then this page right here, it's like the woods. So super, super cute. I'm really happy with this collection kit that I picked up. I highly recommend you snag them while they're 50% off, since it's such a great deal. The other things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby were just some tulle. I got this mint colored one and this really pretty sparkly colored one. It is, what is it, rose gold. So I thought that was really pretty. And then this one is sewing mint. And this is a matte tulle, and this is obviously like a glittered one. And then I did pick up this Christmas cardstock pack, and it's all glitter. It has all this different glitter, and I've already cut into it, but it's really, really pretty, and I believe that was 40% off. And I did pick up this spare parts embellishment for to use on projects. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.